So before we take a look at the novelties of the general arrangement and the layout of the Nobelskluk 56, let's take a look at the more or less standard layout like the one I have in front of me here. When you enter a yacht of this size, you're greeted on the aft of the ship either on a bathing platform or swim platform, and then connected to that is the lazarette where you can have your tender storage. Typically there is the engine room, of course, propelling the boat, leaving this front bit for most likely 4 equal VIPs and the crew mess and the crew cabins right there. Now the thing which always bugs me if you look at a more or less standard layout like this is that when you're welcomed on the aft of this ship, you're pushing always these guests up a full height of stairs before you can either meet your crew or guests. Now if you get an owner as the ones we foresee for the Nobelskluk 56 meter, we can revisit that and reimagine that. So with this yacht, we still welcome our guests at the back of the boat. However, instead of going a full height of flights up or down, we're just going half down, or like on the main deck here, we're going half up. That means that you're always visually connected, or just a couple of steps away from the family and friends you want to meet here, or when you're swimming there. This also allows us to reposition the 4 VIP cabins. Now all made equal, so there's no difference between family and friends when they appointed a room. And that finally gives us this beautiful sweeping hallway, just welcoming you in the boat to the main stairwell, which straight leads you to all the 3 decks. And finally, we have the full glass main salon right here, which is arched and curved around the main dining table, the social lounge area, and gives everybody the views they deserve onto Mother Nature, making this really a home at sea. That's the layout of the Nobelskluk 56 meter.